We have a little live fishy here. We're gonna see who wants to eat. These things get massive. Look how tiny. This is their little defense mechanism. These fish are gonna be really hard to catch. Oh, look at that. What is that? We have our turtles in here as well. Let's go. What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. We are here at the 120-gallon turtle tub. If you remember, in the last house, we had made this with Hector. It was a super fun time building it, and it ended up coming out amazing since we have repainted it to obviously match all the members. And we have a lot of stuff in here, baby turtles and also fish. Let's get to netting, because we got a lot of stuff to net out. And this water is all murky now. We're gonna put all the debris and structure and stuff into there. I actually got a bunch of rocks and made that with spray foam. Feeling around, I'll just start grabbing all my turtles. So these right here are Indian spotteds, very beautiful, and they've gotten so big. Look at them, almost the size of my hand now. Hey bud, got a couple more. Another Indian spotted, a little smaller. A little tiny yellow belly. Right here's a little albino, beautiful albino. Mia, what is that? What are those, Mimi? She's like, I'm gonna eat those things. Don't eat them. Please don't eat them. That would not be good. Bro, look how big. I should have brought this to my mom's house. I totally forgot. That is a map turtle, bro. He got huge. Like, that is ready to go to my parents' house. My parents have this beautiful backyard pond. It's fenced in. Over the last couple of years, like 4 or 5 years, I have released all the turtles that I grow into their backyard. So if you don't see a turtle in here that I've had in the past that was smaller and you haven't watched the videos in a little bit, that's probably where the turtle is, at my mom's house. All the tetras from the axolotl tank are inside this right here. They kept going behind the 3D scape, and that was just annoying the heck out of me. So I took them out and I put them in here. It was literally like having no fish in there. They were just hiding behind the scape. Oh my gosh. Look at one of the platies that we had put in there. Ooh, one of the ones that hasn't got eaten by a turtle. My goodness, that thing is massive. These fish are gonna be really hard to catch if we don't get rid of the water first. So I'm gonna do that like 20 more times, and that'll be good. I got another Indian spotted turtle, and look at this little guy. Nick dropped this little tiny turtle off. It's literally the size of my fingernail. Since he's actually grown a little bit. Oh! This guy! I'm not even gonna show him because we just got him recently. Before I had done this remodel to get all these turtles a better and nicer home, I went out and I bought one. I bought a certain turtle. Flashback to just a couple days ago. Oscars. Holy angelfish. These things are huge. Little fancy tail guppies. Koi fish. Some big old common goldfish. These right here are the same as the feeder goldfish that we get. These are just grown. Not even as big as they get either. These things get massive. Oh, I see you. Frontosa. We have that exact size. Literally looks the same. That one might have a little bit better colors. But we have a Frontosa like that in our car shop tank and in our cichlid pond at home. A whole lot of coral. Actually, as a matter of fact, I got like $2,000 worth of credits at a coral shop that I need to go use. So if you guys have any coral suggestions, drop some down in the comments down below. I'm definitely gonna be doing a coral video, not here, but at the shop very soon, stocking up our big saltwater tank, because again, I got a lot of credits and I gotta use them. A whole tank full of Frontosa? Look at them all. That's crazy. $89.99. I spent $400 on mine. I guess maybe size difference, right? Makes sense. These your favorite?
Look, no, look, it's rainbow.
Where? Oh my gosh, the colors are cool. Only a little bit of baby turtles are here right now. What are they, in a show? South Carolina this weekend, so all the baby turtles are literally gone at a show. As you can see, empty tank, empty tank, empty tank, empty tank. All of them, they're gone, they're at a show. So unfortunately right now, there's not much to pick from, but what we will do is let Taylor, you're gonna pick the baby turtle. Look at these itty bitty ones. Look how tiny. But I already got one of those, Nick dropped it off. So we do need to pick something else. We can either get this guy under here, he's really cool. Look at him. A little bigger of a selection here. They got a couple things down beneath, as you can see. But I believe we have like one of those as well. I don't know, I could be wrong. There's only 2 turtles in there. There's literally, I think there's like 3 turtles here. Which one were you looking to grab? Red cheek? Yeah, they're awesome. Little red-cheeked mud. So we're gonna get one turtle today. Unfortunately, I didn't have more to pick from. I probably would have left with a lot more, but one little red-cheeked. Just the one turtle for me today.
Little turtle guy.
Yep. Yeah. That's a dope turtle. Look at him in the sun. He's this beautiful light brown.
Wow.
Hey, buddy. Sweet. All right. It's gonna be a perfect addition to the renovation. He's already ready to go in, as you can see. I'm gonna let you guys all name him down in the comments down below. So start dropping your comments down below. He's a beautiful red-cheeked mud turtle. And he's going in right now. Whoa, whoa, a little bit of spinning action. There he goes. That's where we got this little guy right here. And he's doing good. This is their little defense mechanism. They'll literally ball up, they'll push this in, and then they're pretty much just like a rock. And nothing can eat them. Raccoon tries to come up, can't get them. Gosh, as I'm trying to get the water out of here, I just keep finding more turtles. Another yellow belly. Got one of the last buckets of water, and I saw another turtle. There's so many turtles in here. I think this is the last one though. A little baby yellow belly. I then actually removed all of the larger stone inside the aquarium before we netted out the last bit of fish. There's a couple more right there. There it is. 3 more right there. Another one. Oh, look at that. What is that? That is one of those tilapia that was like pied. I caught this guy inside the duck pond when he was a baby. And I put him in here because I was like, he's so cool. He's got these little orange specks all over him. Super dope. It's a really cool tilapia. Honestly, you should probably put him in the cichlid pond, huh?
Yeah.
This right here is a cichlid pond, and we're gonna add this beautiful tilapia, color-changing tilapia. Look at him. Looks just like an African cichlid. So now all of our tetras are netted out. As you can see, let me move this. They're all hiding under it. Look at them all. We have our turtles in here as well. A couple platies. There's a couple platies in there. 2, 3. We have all of our structure, anything that was in here that was larger than just the substrate themselves. And we have a bucket that we're now gonna just use a broom scooper. This is a little hack, watch this. Scoop the substrate, and out the back of the broom scooper, you tilt it and all the water comes out, see? And we're just gonna get rid of all this substrate because we're doing it new. So David is actually pumping all the last bit of the nasty water out of this pond, but what I'm thinking to myself is I think we should do no substrate and just lay a bunch of bigger rocks, so it's technically substrate but just not sand that can get really dirty and also hide the waste. Sand is just a pain in the butt. The pond is completely cleaned out. Take a look. I mean, it's fully clean. There ain't a single bit of dirt in there. I have these artificial rocks from when I actually got the trees over there at the big pond by Universal Rock. As you can see, these are all custom. They've got some rock inside there and they make them weighed down. This is a perfect little basking rock for the turtles. As you can see, they can get on top and hang out up here. I never had anything under this light over here, so we just had it off for a while. Now, they're going to have something to go up onto. No matter what the level of the water is, lower, if it's higher, whatever it may be, there's levels to all this, which is nice. We're gonna start taking all the rock and stuff that we had in here. I'm gonna cover that right there. That way none of the turtles go onto the heater that's in there. We're taking things to the next level here, folks. This, I wanna spray off outside quick. Hey pigs, look at how dirty that water is. I'm borrowing the pig hose for that. All right, that one's good. So not only will they have this rock that we just put in now to go on top of, we're keeping the water level a little lower than we used to. They'll have this rock, and also probably the water will be like right here, so they'll have this little edge to come up onto as well. Oh yeah, that looks good, huh? Now we have all these small rocks. All these rocks right here. We're just gonna spread these out and make it super natural for these turtles. Make like a little rock bank, you know? And that right there is a fully remodeled turtle enclosure for all the new baby turtles to come. And it looks amazing, Cuffaros. Like, this thing just completely transitioned itself. As you can see, they have all of this to kind of hang out in. There's a little ledge there. They have the ledge they can come up on. They'll probably climb up on these plants here. This, of course, as well. No substrate. None of the turtles that I have bury themselves anyway. It's not like I have a soft shell or anything like that in here right now. There's another basking area right here that has a bunch of different levels, many places for them to hook and hang on to. And then the pumps and stuff are all over there hiding. And the next step is I have the hose right here. Twist it on, and that thing is gonna start kicking. Let's go. Basking area number 1, which is awesome because they have like a little bit of water where they can get up on here. And exactly like I was saying, they have another basking area in this back that's a little less heated. Over here they have another basking area as well. Obviously the aeration and flow from the pump. And it's just gonna keep on circulating without substrate. How it is now, it looks amazing, and it's gonna be able to stay a lot cleaner without the sand and all the little rock that we had. Now we've got a good amount of turtles to put in, so let's get to it. First one going in is our newest red-cheeked turtle. Such a cool turtle. I love the colors on the shell. One of my favorites for sure. Just got him, and put him in. I'm gonna put him right here. Let him find his own way into the water. Albino. The albino is next, right there. We'll put 2 of the little yellow bellies with them. Third yellow belly on the top. When they go up there on their own, it's gonna be so cool. Look at them, they're like, where the heck am I right now? We have our Indian spotteds, which honestly, bro, it's so crazy to see how big these have gotten. Like, look at that. That's crazy, bro. I've had these things since they were so tiny. We used to have 4. Unfortunately, as of growing all of them, we lost one of them. But we still got 3 left. As you can see, 1, 2, and 3. All 3 of our Indian spotteds from Jacob. We got 2 right there. And we'll put the third one. We'll put the third one in. See you, bud. There they go. Go, buddy. You're the one that's always squirmy in my hand, and now when I put you here, because he doesn't know where he's at. There he goes. These guys are all still sitting here. He's the cutest little thing. Guys, I'm gonna need you to not only name the new turtle, but we gotta name this little dude. Like, he's just a kicking, man. I've had a lot of baby turtles come in. They don't ever do well because the other turtles, this guy's the smallest one in the group. And he's still kicking. He's doing great. Look at him. So tiny. I love that spot because it's not too heated. So if they want to be in the hot, they got right there. If they don't want to do that, it's right there. What did I just say? All right, we got all the fish now, which is a lot of fish. Let's try to see if we can get all of them into a corner. Oh, yeah, I got a lot of them. I got a lot of them. Look at all that. Holy smokes, ready? Let's put them right in the middle. See you later, everyone. Enjoy your new home. That's the rest of them. Look how big that platy is. Talk about pregnant? Yeah. See you guys. Successful remodel. All the fish are literally just schooled up in the middle. The water should get clear as time goes on. We just stirred everything up, you know, mixed everything. So in just a little bit, it's gonna be crystal clear. But what do you guys think? It looks awesome, right? I think it looks amazing. This is what I do in my free time. I make turtle tubs. Cool, right? Hmm? Yeah. Now this map turtle, I was gonna bring to my mom's house because of how big it is. It's definitely significantly bigger than the others. But I think I'm just gonna put him in here for now, and a different day, when I can make it over that way, I will put this map turtle into my mom and dad's backyard. But why they call them map turtles is because they literally look like a map. See all those patterns and all the trails? See that? It's crazy. That's where they get their name from. You're the biggest one in the group. Protect everyone. Don't eat everyone. And that right there is a full remodel, baby. This guy still hasn't even went in yet. What are you doing, dude? You know what? I'm putting you in. We have a little live fishy here. We're gonna see who wants to eat. Peacock? Ready? Boom, boom! Ooh. It lasted maybe 0.2 seconds. Nice scoop of food each. Ooh. Well, beast is hungry. That is just unreal, bro. That's in our backyard, man. It's kind of crazy to think about. We got fish from all around the world back here. And the best part is, these fish's diets are just like sinking pellets with all different nutritions in them. Floating pellets, silver sides, tilapia, live fish. They have a big menu, put it that way. They eat a lot of different things, and that's why I think they're so healthy and so thick, because they literally don't stop eating. I've been trying to get Thump to eat, but I think he just wants Shiners because he came from Shiner Sam. He ate one tilapia and since then hasn't eaten again. He's still getting comfortable though. Check out from up here, it looks insane. Look at this. Never gets old. Literally never gets old. Bubba, can you wait a sec? You're literally climbing the fence to the food. Let everyone else get a chance. Lulu, here. Everyone knows Lulu gets the first bite, or two, until they all just absolutely do what they just did. There you go, everyone. God, the flies are so bad over here every time. All right. There you go. There you go. Enjoy your meals, friends. Enjoy your meals. I'm getting the fly spray. I'm about to go buck wild over here. Oh! Look at them just dissipate. I coat that entire house with fly spray so that the flies don't go in there. These things are pieces of shit. Yo, what's up, buddies? My battery on the camera is about to die. The remodel for the baby turtle pond was really fun, and there's only more to come now. Now that that's done, we could literally go buy a bunch of baby turtles and start growing out more from my parents' backyard or other locations. I can grow them out and give them to your favorite creator. Hopefully that's me, but if you guys have any ideas on who I should grow a turtle out creator-wise, drop them down in the comments down below. I'll grow them out something to give. Emu! Say goodbye, Emu. The camera just died. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you right back here in the next one. Peace, Cuffaros. Woo! Hey, it's still not dead yet.